大家好，欢迎你们来到 Examrace. Hello everyone, welcome to Examrace. Today we will study pronouns in Chinese. 现在开始吧 Let's start. The first is 我 which means I or me. 我 The second is 我们 It means we. 我们你 which means you. 你们 which means you all. 你们他 which means he. The sound tha in Chinese means he and she. In the characters of these sounds, there is a difference of female radical and man radical. 他们 which means they. 他们我的 it means mine or my. 我的他的 it means his or her. 他的你的 it means your. 你的我们的 it means ours. 我们的你们的 it means yours. 你们的他们的 theirs. 他们的 So, we have learned a lot of things in this class. Now, let's revise it once. 我们你们他们我的他的你的我们的你们的他们的我们你们他们 他、我的、他的、你的、我们的、你们的、他们的。好。Now let's do some exercise. First question. What is I or me? Right. 我。Second question. How to say there? Right. 他们的。Third question. How to say mine? Right. 我的。Fourth question. How to say she? Right. 她。Fifth question. How to say ours? Right. 我们的。So, you all have performed very well in this class. Now, see you in the next class. 再见。